What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to merge multiple PDF files into one. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can use multiple different tools to merge PDF files, such as paid apps or simple and free-to-use websites. For this guide, we'll make use of I Love PDF at ilovepdf.com. Open up your browser of choice and navigate to this page. Upon landing on the home page, you will see various options for performing different types of operations on your PDF file, such as merging, splitting, or compressing. Click on the Merge PDF option. You will now be prompted to select PDF files. Click on the button and proceed to select all the PDF files on your PC that you want to merge into one. In case you missed one or two of your files, there's no need to worry. You still have the option to import more PDF files from your computer, Google Drive, and even Dropbox. Just hover your mouse over the plus button and you will see all the related options for importing files. In addition, you can also rearrange the selected PDFs in any order you like. When you are done selecting PDF files, click on Merge PDF. The I Love PDF website will attempt to merge all the selected PDF files in chronological order and download them on your PC automatically. In case the merged PDF file won't automatically download, you still have the option to manually click on the download button to download the merged PDF file to your downloads folder. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.